You need to watch this if you struggle with finding your purpose. Psychologist Carl Jung believed that discovering your life's purpose is the key to true fulfillment. In this video, we'll explore Jung's transformative insights and how they can guide you to find your own purpose. You need to hear this if you're searching for meaning in life. Carl Jung once said, "The privilege of a lifetime is to become who you truly are." Life purpose isn't just a lofty idea, it's the thread that weaves meaning into everything we do. Jung believed that purpose comes from aligning our inner world, our unconscious desires, dreams, and fears with our conscious actions. Without it, life can feel directionless, no matter how successful we appear on the outside. Next, we'll delve into the core of Jung's teachings, the concept of the self. I bet you didn't know Jung's 4 steps to discover your purpose. At the heart of Jung's teachings is the concept of the self. Jung believed we are more than the masks we wear, or what he called the persona. Beneath the surface lies our true essence. To find your purpose, Jung emphasized the importance of individuation, the process of integrating the conscious and unconscious parts of yourself. This isn't about perfection, it's about becoming whole. This is why you need to face your shadow. In the next chapter, we'll explore how facing your shadow can lead to personal growth. Stay with us as we uncover the significance of dreams in finding your purpose. Your shadow is the part of you that you deny or avoid. Your fears, insecurities, or suppressed desires. Jung believed that embracing your shadow is essential for personal growth. Ask yourself, what am I avoiding? What parts of myself have I hidden away? By bringing these to light, you begin to uncover what truly drives you. What I wish I knew at 20 instead of 30. Jung called dreams the royal road to the unconscious. He believed they reveal hidden truths about who we are and what we seek. Start keeping a dream journal. Write down recurring themes or symbols. These can be clues to your deeper purpose. Everybody is looking for meaning. Jung believed that purpose often lies in the things that make us feel alive. It could be art, service, learning, or creating. Follow the sparks. They'll lead you to your fire. We'll discuss why embracing meaning over success is crucial in the next chapter. You need to hear this if you're searching for your true purpose. Jung warned against the trap of chasing external success at the expense of inner fulfillment. He believed true purpose is about meaning, not material achievements. Ask yourself, am I chasing what matters to me or what matters to others? When you align with meaning, success follows naturally. You need to hear this if you're on a journey of self-discovery. Jung believed that our lives mirror the hero's journey, a universal story pattern where we face challenges, overcome adversity, and return transformed. Your struggles aren't obstacles, they're invitations to grow. Finding your purpose means answering the call to adventure and trusting that every step, no matter how difficult, is shaping you into the person you're meant to become. Your purpose isn't something you find overnight. It's a journey of self-discovery and growth. By facing your shadow, listening to your dreams, and embracing meaning, you'll uncover the path that's been waiting for you all along. So what's the first step you'll take today? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, share it with someone searching for purpose, and subscribe for more life-changing insights. Remember, your journey matters, and your purpose is closer than you think.